Hi, it's Mora Lisa, and I want to try a science experiment with you. So what you need is some milk. You can use any kind of milk you have in the house, food coloring, and a bowl, or like I have this pie pan that I'm going to use, something, and you can, it's really fun to try this experiment. And you also need some Q-tips, and you're going to need some soap. So I have soap like this. If you have clear soap, it's better. And I'm going to put it in the bowl, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. I'm going to turn the camera around so you're not looking at me and you're going to look at the experiment. All right, so I have my pie pan, and I'm going to pour some milk in. You don't need a lot. You just need some that the bottom is covered. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm just covering the bottom. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some food coloring, and I'm going to put in a few drops, 1 drop of each color. So look what I'm doing. I'm putting in 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue. I'm not putting them next to each other. Whoops, that was 2. And I'll put in 1 drop of green. Okay, so now I have 3 drops. And if you look, you can still see the white milk, and you can see the drops of the food coloring, but they haven't mixed and they haven't done anything. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the Q-tip and you're going to put it into the soap, just like I'm doing. And then you're going to put the Q-tip end in the milk, not on the color, but next to it. Look what happened. Do you see how the red just moved? I didn't even touch it. I'll take another Q-tip, put it in soap, not right next to it, and it's making it move. I'll take another one. See, already the blue one's moving from the soap. And see, I'm not even touching it. I'm not touching the blue, but it's making it move. I'm making a rainbow in the milk. Okay, I'm going to keep doing that. And pretty soon you have a rainbow in your bowl. And you didn't even swirl it. You didn't stir it. You didn't use it. You just put the Q-tip in the milk. If you want, you could try to touch it now and see what happens. Do you see? Oh, look at it moving. Amazing. And I didn't move the Q-tip. I didn't stir the Q-tip. I just put it right in the color. Look at that. That is so cool. And I'll do it. And now you look. Do you see how I have a rainbow in my milk? And I didn't swirl it. I didn't move it. It just did it on its own. And now I'm going to explain why that happened. When you pour any liquid, whether it's milk, water, anything, into a cup, into a bowl, there's like an invisible skin on top of it. You don't see it, you don't taste it, you don't feel it. But it's called surface tension. Do you see my saran wrap? If I were to put this over a cup, just like I'm doing now, we could pretend that that's the surface tension on top of any liquid. I promise you, you don't feel it, you don't see it, you don't taste it. It's like invisible, but it's there. And then what happens is, after I put the food coloring in the milk, and then I put the Q-tip, it was like I was breaking the surface tension, just like I'm doing now. Only you couldn't see it break because the surface tension is invisible. But once I broke it, all the colors started swirling around together. And it made the milk move. You couldn't see the milk moving, but you saw the colors moving. It's really an unbelievable miracle that this is how Hashem made all liquids, that they have this invisible top called surface tension. And you could do an experiment like this. So have fun doing it. Maybe mom and dad can help you with the food coloring and the soap and the Q-tips. And send a picture of your milk rainbow to your teachers or to me. I'd love to see it. Have fun. Science is fun.